Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA on New Zealand USD and Great Britain USD. So initially, what we can see is New Zealand is still in the uptrend. When it uptrend, then it have a two-legged refresh, test, come out, range, refresh, and come back up here, and it came back down. So this shows that it has potential to hit the high. So when the price came down to, when we saw that it came down to this area and it's struggling to take down, I actually bought a position here and try to take it up to this level. But actually, well, it's possible to take it up to here, which well, here is kind of 2-1 already. Here will be like 6-1 or it's kind of like a eclipse trade, but the price fails and it came back down and hit my stop loss. So after this, I will stand aside for now. So in terms of entry level, I would say doing good. What kind of trade it is a trend continuation with a chasing price. I would say like kind of like, if you want, usually you will enter within the range better. This is the range better that kills a lot of people. So it resolves up, then I try to take it up, but it fails. So it's a probe back in, and now I have more, what's that called? I tends this tends to be a sell from now on. This is V formation. Okay, take down, come back up here, take down. So I'll think it's more of a sell from now on. Okay. Great Britain USD has similar price action, which the struggle here came back up. Came back up, strong movement up. Came down, struggle, test, buy. Then try to take it out, but it fails, it cracks down. So now it's a V formation, shows that sellers is coming in. After that, if there's a struggling buyers, and then most likely it's a goner. But from now, it tests this buyer now, so it can be two ways. First is struggling buyer and it continue up, because, or another way is struggle and just crash down. That's a two scenario. So what can I do better? In terms of read, I think should be fine. Position wise can be better. I mean, because the thing it broke upwards, I bought at this area, then it fails. So what I need to practice is getting the trial version. I need to play candle by candle, how it appears. Then I just learn from there, and after that I learn from the Navin's trades. But Navin actually took this trade New Zealand USD, so in a sense it's still possible. Like it's still correct, I would say. My read is still correct.